Friends, we are introducing Swift GT type kit with carbon edition. This is 100% made in Taiwan. You may see the carbon fiber edition that you can see as a lip in the front bumpers, and you may see in the sides as well. That's also made of carbon fiber. And even the rear part also with the mud flaps, and even you may see the rear bumper parts also made of carbon fiber, and its fittings too. And again we come to the front part. Even with the front grille also you may see the carbon fiber addition. The main attraction of this kit is it's 6.2 mm in thickness, made of polypropylene material and carbon fiber addition. And you may see the fittings, the quality, everything, you may find it easily. This is the thickness of the product. You may see it, the quality of the product. It's very easy to find out, to compare the market as well. What is the difference of the product?